Hi, welcome to CATTECH Tutorials. Last class we have seen about the hole. Now let's see about the more options. Type of holes. Here we have seen these all options in previous. Now we are going to learn in this class these all types of holes. Previously we use a simple hole. Now we are going to learn about tapered. Angle it is 90 degrees. Here you can see diameter 30. We increase more 40. Preview. See how it is appeared. 90 degrees. Bottom with same options. Here a small change is there. Here we can see the red dot here. By changing this position of this red dot, here we can see the change and size of the hole. Okay, now it is bottom. Red dot is bottom of the tapered hole. If I select off then how it is going to look. See, this is a small change. Okay, let's see. Let's keep this at bottom only. Review extension diameter 40. The above hole diameter is 40 and depth. This hole depth is 20. If we increase more than 20, how it look? Review. See. This is the object. Again I am going to increase the depth 40. See here, while I am increasing depth of the hole, the diameter of the hole also increasing, means the diameter of the hole 40 is bottom of the tapered hole. Okay, see, this circle is 40 mm diameter. When we are increasing depth of this hole, the upper diameter also increasing. Okay, because we have angle. Here 90 degrees angle is there. If I decrease the angle, let's see. If I decrease to 60, see here we can observe the change of the diameter. Let's see. Okay, when I change the angle from 90 degrees to 60, the hole size is appeared like this. This is the tapered hole. Here we use angle and anchor point bottom and top of the sketch. Okay, this is the tapered option. Let's see counter bore. Here counter bore, it is the counter bore. Here also same thing, anchor point is there, top and bottom. Here you can use middle or extreme. Let's say diameter 40 and the depth is 5 mm. So diameter 40 and depth is 40 mm. This here blind option is bottom of the hole details. If I decrease 40 mm to 20 mm and depth 40 to 60 mm. So let's increase here also, it is 20 to 35. Okay, preview. This is a counter bore. So 35 is this inside diameter and 60 mm is depth of the hole. Go for diameter 42. Here I'm increasing 40 to 60. Preview. See, here we can observe that changing of hole diameter, and I'm increasing depth 5 to 15 mm. This is the counter bore. Here for this counter bore we can use V option also. In previous class we have seen how we can change the angle and what is the details of this V and flat. Here I am using flat option. In this also we have a normal to surface. So we can use this hole along the selected line, but I am not selecting here, like normal to surface. Okay, type 60 mm. This is the counter bore. Here we can see extreme. Extreme means top of the plane. If I selected the sketch on above the plane, so it is a suitable. If I select the middle of the anchor point, let's see what will happen. Okay, means the counter bore is above this plane. Here above this plane we don't have material, so it is not appearing. So see this in front view. This is the option. Here the point counter bore is, now I selected in middle. Here it is the middle of the counter bore hole option. That's why the above hole is not appearing. Now I am selecting extreme. So extreme means it is top of the counter bore. Let's see preview. Okay, go for isometric view. This is the counter bore. Let's see counter sunk. The counter bore and counter sunk, the difference is counter bore have perpendicular depth. Here counter sunk has angle, means with inclination of increasing diameter. That's the difference between counter sunk and counter hole. Let's see preview first of all with our dimensions. This is the counter sunk. For counter sunk also we have dimensions. The above diameter, whatever the hole we choose, for that the below diameter of the hole we need dimensions here. Here we can give the dimensions about that hole, bottom of the hole. Diameter 35. Now I am giving 35 to 25. Preview. Okay. Now type. Here again mode, depth and angle, depth and diameter, angle and diameter. Based on these three options, we can change the above hole of the countersunk. Okay. Depth here it is 15. Now I am giving only 10 mm. Here degrees 60 degrees. Here I am giving 90 degrees. Okay. This is the countersunk. In this countersunk, we don't have anchor point, extreme and middle. Okay. Let's say control drilled. It is nothing but combination of countersunk and counter bore. It is countersunk, and here to here it is counter bore. Both combination of counter bore and countersunk is nothing but counter drilled. Okay. Diameter 60 mm. Depth I am giving 30 and angle 60 degrees. Preview. Okay, here we go diameter 25. Here I am increasing 25 to 40. With the bottom face we can observe the change of diameter here, and depth 60 to 100. Okay, diameter 40. Here the bottom of the diameter here to here it is 40 and 100 mm depth. See, from top to bottom it is 100 mm depth and diameter 60. Here it is 60. Here we can change the 30 to, this is the counter drill hole. With this hole we have completed all 5 types of holes. Okay, here also we have extreme and middle. In previous option we have seen what is the difference between extreme and middle. Okay, counter drill, simple, tapered, counter bored, counter sunk, counter drilled. 5 types of holes are there here. We have finished that. And next thread defined. Here we can, till now we didn't give any thread option for any holes. If we give option here, instead we get thread here. Preview, but we can't observe here. We can observe that in drafting. Okay, this is the whole definition option. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe the channel.